Did you know that once we turn 50, our body slowly starts letting go of the muscles we spent years building? One day, you might look in the mirror and feel like your strength just faded away, without any warning. Yeah, it sounds a little sad, but you're not alone. Losing muscle is something that happens to almost everyone as they age. And at first, it's so slow. Most of us don't even notice it. But here's the good news. It's not permanent. Research shows that almost 1 in 3 people over 60 experience muscle loss. It's called sarcopenia, and it affects both how big and how strong your muscles are. That sounds scary. But here's the hopeful part. It can be reversed. And what might surprise you is that you can start seeing changes in just 7 days. Yes, really. By simply adding a few specific foods to your meals each day, you can wake up your muscles. Almost like charging a battery that's been running low. Picture this, walking upstairs without effort, lifting things without needing to call the grandkids for help. All of that, just by choosing the right foods. And the best part? You might feel a difference in as little as a week. So if you're ready to feel stronger, keep watching. I'm going to show you 6 foods that not only taste great, they also help fight the muscle loss that comes with age. Because no matter how old you are, you should still feel strong. Welcome, dear seniors, to your channel, Be Healthy Talks. Before we go on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip to stay strong and healthy. Alright, let's begin. First up, cherry juice. As we pass 50, it's normal for our muscles to get a bit weaker. It can feel frustrating. But something as simple and tasty as cherry juice can actually help slow that down. This bright red drink isn't just refreshing. It's full of powerful compounds called anthocyanins. These help fight inflammation and muscle wear and tear caused by aging. Science backs this up. One study showed that people who drank cherry juice regularly recovered their muscle strength 24% faster than those who didn't. That's a big deal, especially if you feel sore after something as simple as gardening or a short walk. But that's not all. Cherry juice also contains melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep better. And good sleep is key to repairing muscles overnight. So try drinking a glass of cherry juice about 30 minutes before bed. It might help you wake up with less stiffness, better energy, and less joint pain. It's a small, natural change. But it can make a big difference. If you're looking for something else that helps just as much, maybe even more, keep watching. Next up, Greek yogurt. It's creamy, filling, and great for muscle health, especially after 50. Greek yogurt has about twice the protein of regular yogurt. That's around 15 to 20 grams per serving. Just what your muscles need to stay strong. And it's not just any protein. Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a type of protein that digests slowly and keeps feeding your muscles for hours. That's perfect for in-between meals or before bed. According to one study from the University of California, seniors who ate Greek yogurt regularly got 15% stronger in just 8 weeks. Not bad for such a simple food. It also helps your gut. Greek yogurt is full of probiotics, good bacteria that help digestion and let your body absorb nutrients better. That becomes more important as digestion slows down with age. Want to make it even better? Add a spoonful of chia seeds or a handful of berries. It boosts the fiber, adds antioxidants, and turns your snack into a superfood. So whether it's breakfast, a midday treat, or a night snack, Greek yogurt is a smart choice to stay strong and energized. Still with me? Good, because the next one is delicious and comforting. Let's talk about starchy vegetables. As we get older, our energy can start to drop. That's when starchy veggies, like sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and even regular potatoes, really shine. They give your body a steady, long-lasting source of energy. No sugar crashes. Just consistent fuel to keep your muscles working. They're full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And they help your muscles recover, grow, and keep up with daily activity. Harvard Medical School even found that people who eat these regularly have less muscle loss over time. These veggies also help your heart, your digestion, and your overall health. They've got nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, all of which help fight inflammation and support your cells. Try roasting sweet potato wedges with a bit of olive oil and sea salt. It's simple, delicious, and full of goodness. And here's a smart tip. Start swapping out white rice or bread with starchy veggies. You'll feel fuller, stronger, and more energized. Now, let's move from the farm to the sea. Scallops. They're not just a fancy restaurant food, they're actually one of the best sources of protein and omega-3s for aging muscles. Scallops help your muscles heal, recover, and stay flexible. The protein in scallops is easy for your body to absorb, and the omega-3s fight inflammation. A study from Spain found that older adults who ate omega-3 rich foods like scallops kept up to 12% more muscle mass than those who didn't. That's huge. Especially since muscle loss affects everything, from your posture to how fast you walk to how well you recover. Even just 1 or 2 scallop meals a week can help. Try pan-searing them with a little olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice. It's quick, tasty, and helps your body absorb those good fats even better. Serve with some greens or roasted veggies, and you've got a powerful, balanced meal. Alright, ready for something a little unexpected? Buckwheat. It's small, often forgotten, but surprisingly powerful. Buckwheat gives you complete proteins, meaning it has all the amino acids your body needs to rebuild and protect muscle. It's also a great energy source. Unlike white carbs, buckwheat gives you steady energy without sudden crashes. It's rich in magnesium and zinc, both important for muscle repair and immune support. And it helps keep your blood sugar stable, which is key for staying active and strong. One study from Harvard found that older adults who regularly ate buckwheat improved their muscle strength by up to 18% in just 3 months. Not bad for a humble grain. Try swapping your usual rice or pasta with buckwheat, or add it to salads for a filling, healthy boost. It's a small change that can make a big difference over time. Now, let's finish strong, with something simple, fast, and effective. Whey protein. If you want to improve your muscle strength without spending hours in the gym, this is for you. Whey protein is packed with the amino acids your muscles need to rebuild. And it absorbs quickly, which helps speed up recovery, even after light exercise or just daily movement. You don't need fancy supplements or a strict workout routine. Just a scoop of whey protein in a morning shake or snack can give your body a solid boost. Research shows it also helps burn fat, support heart health, and keep your immune system strong. One of the best things, it helps you feel better overall. More energy, more strength, better mobility. Just pair it with a balanced diet and regular movement. Over time, you'll likely notice real changes, not just in how you look, but how you feel each day. Try starting with 1 scoop in the morning. Mix it into a smoothie, some oats, or even plain water. It's quick, it's easy, and it works. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, and share it with your friends and family. Help them stay strong and healthy too. Let's take control of our health, by keeping our muscles strong, our bodies active, and our energy high. Because staying strong as we age isn't about lifting heavy weights or doing extreme workouts. It's about choosing the right foods, making smart habits, and giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. Don't wait. Start today, and feel the difference in your strength, your energy, and your confidence. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on more simple, science-backed tips to stay healthy and active at any age.